Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud. To know how to find a solution about SoundCloud, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of SoundCloud and you click here on this page. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache, and then you can turn off your phone, and you can wait a moment to turn off your phone again, to turn on your phone again. And if it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.